Hello, this is a Bosch Tassimo Sunny machine, but this video is for anyone that's got a Bosch Tassimo any model machine and they're finding that their nozzle is getting clogged up mid-flow and the release catch is getting stuck and you can't open it, and if you do force it you find the cartridge explodes in your face and you've just got a load of gunk and muck all dripping down the machine. Hard to clean. Basically I was given this machine by the good lady of a friend of mine who's got a channel called Lump Goes Fishing. It was quite bad inside, it was all covered in muck, and it did have a cartridge in before, but Simon managed to release it before I took it. I thought it was just down to not enough regular maintenance and cleaning. I learnt how to clean the thing, and basically it's quite simple. You just take this thing out, get your hand underneath and push this nozzle up until it pops out and falls on the floor and breaks into a few different pieces. Hang on, let's do this again, shall we? Take two, camera rolling and action. Okay, so once you've got this part out, you can clean that easily. Then you've got to take this nozzle part out. So if you push up from underneath while supporting the top, you'll find it will just pop out. It might even pop into two separate pieces. Apparently this part comes apart, but I didn't want to force it because it felt too tricky to get apart. But you could just soak that in the washing up bowl or something and clean that quite well. You can put a pipe cleaner through it. Can't see the hole. Basically you could see through it. This part's quite easy to clean as well. Yeah, you can sort of see the hole there. So there's a little tab sticking up on there which fits into a little hole on there, so you know which is the right way for that. This part's got a big hole which goes into the big hole there, and if you look on the top inside there, there's like a little rubber circle which goes underneath this part. It sounds tricky, but that flat part there goes against the barcode reader, which is just here. Put it in and just swivel it round until it won't turn anymore, and then push down, and that's done. I don't know where I got to really. Oh yeah, we want to put this thing back in again. So yeah, basically I've been using it a few days with different pods, and Simon's girlfriend gave me a few ones to test it before I actually went and bought some cappuccino ones. One she gave me was like latte macchiato espresso, which comes in two parts. That's number 2, and this is the one you put in first. And I did that this morning and I had the same problem. It was making the pump noise and I could hear pressure building up inside it, but nothing was coming out. And sure enough, this thing got stuck. Oh yeah, both these two bottom lights came on. I don't know what they mean. I think they mean it's clogged up and you need to clean it. So yeah, I couldn't open it. I forced it open and then basically the thing exploded in my face and everything was all dripping down there. So I thought, well, I've been cleaning it regularly, so it must be the cartridge, the pod. So I decided to cut it open and have a look inside. I shook it like it said. You're supposed to shake it beforehand. And so anyway, I shook it beforehand, put it in, and that's where it decided to explode. When I took it out, you could tell it was all puffed up and it had all the pressure in there. So I cut it open and basically inside there was loads of hard bits, like it had gone, well, gone like cheese basically. Well, yeah, it was like cheese. It was like nice tasting cheese. Because it has Baileys in it, it tastes really nice, and I'm sure it's not harmful to you, but I think it's either a bad batch or an older batch, or if you leave it too long it probably just settles, and I don't know, but basically I wouldn't use these anymore in the batch. So I've told Simon's girlfriend that these are probably what was at fault, which is a shame really, because they've bought a new machine now to replace this one. But I mean, it's good for me, I guess, because I got this one for nothing. But it's not very good if this company is supplying cream cheese in a packet that's going to make the machine look like it's packed up. So I've suggested to them that they just like partly fill a glass with water, microwave it for about 45 seconds, and then just use the second pod as normal, which I'm sure works fine. Well, this one did anyway. And so yeah, if yours is jamming up, pressurising but nothing's coming out, and then exploding when you manage to force the lid open, I reckon it's probably going to be a milk package you're using, not necessarily the Baileys one, but I've heard that other people have had trouble with the white part. So try using the machine again, but not with this. Instead of this, as I say, put some milk in the microwave. Someone else on YouTube told me this idea, so that's what I've done, and that seems to have worked. So good luck. And in future, maybe just buy the coffee ones and just use milk instead of getting this, because you're only getting like, well, you're getting half of the pack is being supplied with milk, which you've probably already got in your fridge anyway. So if you want to save money, just get the coffee part and put your own milk in, but you put it in first and you microwave it to get it up to temperature, and it kind of froths it up as well. So there you go, try that, good luck and goodbye.